So, dito tayo sa ating lesson number 1 sa module 7. Finding the equation of a line if the slope and a point or 2 points of a line are given. So, yung una muna is kung given yung slope at saka isang point. And then yung susunod naman is 2 points naman ang given sa isang line. So, yun po i-discuss natin sa lesson 1. So, in finding the equation of the line, pwede natin itong gamitin. Itong unang formula is the slope-intercept form, wherein y is equal to mx plus b. So, kung meron tayong given na slope at y-intercept, so ilalagay na lang po natin dito sa equation na to. And then, yun na po yung equation of the line. Next naman na formula na pwede natin gawin is the point-slope form. So, ang formula nun is y minus y sub 1 is equal to m multiplied to the difference of x and x sub 1. So, ginagamit po natin yung point-slope form from the word point. So, kung given yung isang point at saka yung slope. Okay, so yung pangatlo naman is kapag meron namang 2 points, so using 2 points, so kailangan na po natin tandaan na ang formula in getting the slope is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, using 2 points, dahil dalawang points yung given dito, so gagamitin din natin yung point slope form, pero yung formula in getting the slope, ilalagay po natin dun sa m. Ayan. So, sinubstitute na po natin yung formula ni m dito. So, halos parehas lang naman sila. So, mamaya may mga shortcuts din ako ituturo sa inyo. So, please stay tuned sa ating lesson. So, let us now try answering the activities. So, we are asked to find the equation of a line. Number 1, the slope is negative 5 and it passes through 3, 1. So, yung point daw po ay 3, 1. So, tuturuan ko kayo ng dalawang technique. Una muna is using the formula. So, given yung slope at saka isang point. So, pwede po natin gamitin yung unang formula or yung pangalawang formula rather, yung point slope form. So, ang formula dun is y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus x sub 1. So, yung slope po o yung m is negative 5. And yung point natin na 3, 1, so ito po yung x sub 1 at ito naman po yung y sub 1. So, ilagay po natin dito sa equation. So, y, copy natin, minus y sub 1 is 1 equal to m is negative 5 multiplied to the difference of x. So, copy natin yung x and then x sub 1 is 3 minus 3. The next thing to do is, copy muna natin ito nasa left, equal to negative 5 times x is negative 5x. And then negative 5 times negative 3 is positive 15. And then, so pwede natin gawin na itong y is equal to mx plus b yung kanyang format. So, y is equal to negative 5x plus 15. Mag-add tayo both sides ng kabaligtaran ng negative 1 and that is positive 1. So, cancel out na dito yung negative 1. Dito naman is plus 1. Because positive 1 yung kabaligtaran ng negative 1. So, using addition property of equality, wala na po yung negative 1 dito. So, y is equal to negative 5x, copy natin. And then 15 plus 1 is 16. So, the final answer is y is equal to negative 5x plus 16. The equation of the line that has a slope of negative 5 and passes through the point 3, 1 is y is equal to negative 5x plus 16. So, pwede din natin siya isolve using this y is equal to mx plus b. Since given naman yung slope na m is equal to negative 5, ayan po, negative 5. And then, yung isa pong point na 3, 1. So, dyan daw po siya dumaan. So, si 3 po ay yung x at si 1 naman is yung y. So, ipalit lang po natin dito po sa equation na y is equal to mx plus b. Y is 1. So, lagay ko lang dyan. And then, equal to m is negative 5. And then, since magkadikit sila ni x, multiplication po yan. So, yung x po is 3. And then, plus b. Si b po ay wala pa pong value. So, sulat na po natin siya dyan. Plus b. And then 1, copy natin. And then negative 5 times 3 is negative 15 plus b. And then, para si negative 15 mapunta sa kabila, since hindi siya kailangan dito kasi b lang po yung kailangan dito. So, mag-add po tayo na kanyang opposite. So, 1 plus 15. Dito naman sa kabila, cancelled out na siya. So, using addition property of equality. So, b na lang po siya. And then, 1 plus 15 is 16. So, yung y-intercept po is 16. So, nakuha na natin yung value ng b or yung y-intercept. Pwede na po natin siyang ilagay po dito sa equation na to. So, y is equal to m. Ano po yung m? Negative 5. And then, x, copyain natin. And then, yung y-intercept is 16 or positive 60. So, kung mapansin po ninyo, yung final answer po dito is y is equal to negative 5x plus 16. So, parehas lang po yung sa first method at saka sa second method. So, kahit ano po yung gamitin nyo po dyan sa dalawa or gagawin nyo po sa dalawa is parehas lang po yung makukuha nyong sagot, basta dapat tama lang po yung inyong pagsosolve. So, kahit ano po dyan yung gamitin yung method is pwede po, tama po yung sagot ninyo. Okay, example number 2 naman tayo. Find the equation of a line that passing through negative 2, 3 and has a slope of 2/3. Okay, so ang given is m is equal to 2/3 and then yung point na given is negative 2, 3. And then si negative 2 yung x at si 3 naman yung y. So, lagyan natin yung formula y is equal to mx plus b. So, gagamitin ko yung second method ha. So, y is equal to mx plus b. So, y is 3. And then, m is 2/3. And then, x is negative 2. So, multiplication yan kasi magkadikit. And then, plus b. Okay, so the next thing to do is copy natin si 3. And then, negative 2 times 2 is negative 4 over 3 plus b. And then, dito ko na po yung continue sa taas. So, since b lang kailangan natin dito, mag-add tayo ng kabaligtaran ng negative 4/3 on both sides. So, 3, since negative yun dapat positive 4/3 is equal to b using addition property of equality. So, 3 plus 4/3 is since parehas po ay since si 3 ay over 1, so automatic ang LCD ay 3. So, using butterfly method, 3 times 3, 9 plus 1 times 4 is 4 equal to b. And then 9 plus 4 is 13 over 3. So, yan po yung y-intercept. So, since nahanap na po natin yung value ng y-intercept, ilalagay na po natin yan sa formula na y is equal to mx plus b. So y, copy na natin yung y is equal to, hindi na po yan yung gagamitin natin ha, yung value na yan, hindi na po natin gagamitin dito. So, basta yung y tsaka x ay hindi na po natin gagalawin. So, y is equal to m is 2/3. So, 2/3 x plus, ang b po or yung y-intercept is 13 over 3. So, yung equation of the line po dito is y is equal to 2/3 x plus 13 over 3. So using y is equal to mx plus b, ito po yung nabuo nating equation ng line. Y is equal to 2/3 x plus 13 over 3. So, let's have number 3 example. Ngayon naman po is using 2 points naman. So, find the equation of a line that passes through negative 2, 3, and negative 4, 9. So, ang given is meron tayong dalawang points, that is negative 2, 3, and then yung isa naman is negative 4, 9. So, ito po yung kaninang formula na sinabi ko sa inyo. So, y minus y sub 1 is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 times minus x sub 1 multiplied to x minus x sub 1. So, hindi given yung slope, kaya nilagay ko po rito yung formula ng slope. So, let's try on substituting the values. So, first, ito muna po. Ito po yung unang x. So, ito po yung x sub 1. Ito naman po yung unang y sub 1 yan. And then, pangalawang x, and then, pangalawang y. So, y, copy na natin yung y, minus y sub 1 is 3 is equal to y sub 2 is 9 minus y sub 1, that is 3, over x sub 2 is negative 4, and then minus x sub 1 is negative 2. Then multiply to x minus yung x sub 1 po ay negative 2. Okay, and then y minus 3 is equal to 9 minus 3 is 6 over negative 4 minus negative 2. So, magiging plus, magiging positive. So, negative 4 plus positive 2 is negative 2. Multiplied to x minus negative 2. So, magiging plus, magiging positive. So, magiging x plus 2. So, x plus 2. And then, lipat ko na po dito sa taas kasi wala na ako space. So, y minus 3, copy lang po natin, is equal to negative 6. 6 divided by negative 2 is negative 3 multiplied to x plus 2. And then, y minus 3 is equal to, multiply po natin yan, negative 3 times x is negative 3x. And negative 3 times positive 2 is negative 6. And then, yung nating form na equation is yung y is equal to mx plus b. So, y lang dapat matira dito. Kaya y is equal to, using addition property, so negative 3x minus 6. Since negative yan, ito po magiging positive 3. So, y is equal to negative 3x. Negative 6 plus 3 is negative 3. So, the final answer or the equation of the line that passes through negative 2, 3, and negative 4, 9 is y is equal to negative 3x minus 3. So, yan po yung first method. Tuturo ko rin po sa inyo yung second method na pwede nyo rin gawin. Nasa inyo po kung ano pong gagamitin nyo, kung saan po kayo mas nadadalian. So, let's try the second method. Hindi ko po binura yung sagot po kanina sa first method para ma-compare natin sa sagot natin mamaya. So, first is, kunin muna natin yung slope. So, the slope is, or the formula of slope is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, y sub 2 is 9 minus y sub 1 is 3 over x sub 2 is negative 4 minus x sub 1 is negative 2. And then, 9 minus 3 is 6. Negative 4 minus negative 2 magiging plus. And magiging positive. So, negative 4 plus positive 2 is negative 2. So, the final answer is 6 divided by negative 2 is negative 3. So, the slope is negative 3. Tandaan po natin. And then, the next method naman na gagawin natin is So, nakuha na po natin yung slope. Kunin man po natin yung y-intercept. So, y is equal to mx plus b. So, si y tsaka si x, pwede tayo pumili kahit ano dyan sa dalawang point. So, pipiliin ko na lang is yung unang point, yung x sub 1 tsaka y sub 1. So, y is 3 equal to, ang m po is negative 3. So, negative 3 times, ang x naman po ay negative 2 plus b. And then, okay, so next is copy natin 3 equal to negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6 plus b. And then, so since b lang kailangan natin dito, using addition property of equality, magiging 3 minus 6 is equal to b. And then 3 minus 6 is negative 3. So, yun po yung y-intercept. So, pwede na ulit tayo mag-substitute dun sa y is equal to mx plus b. So, given na po yung slope at saka po yung y-intercept. So, y is equal to m is negative 3. And then x. And then, since yung b is negative 3 na po yung sulat natin dito. So, the final answer or the equation of the line is y is equal to negative 3x minus 3. So, kung mapapansin po natin, ito pong dalawa ay parehas lang po. So, ibig sabihin, kahit ano pong method, ang gamitin nyo, yung first method ko kanina or itong second method is tama po yung sagutin nyo. Basta dapat, tama lang po yung inyong pagkakasolve. So, either way around, ano man yung piliin yung way sa pag-compute is parehas lang po yung makukuha ang sagot. Okay, let's have example number 4. Find the equation of a line that passes through negative 5, 4, and 9, 0. So, ang given is yung 2 points na negative 5, 4, and 9, 0. So, the first thing to do is to find for the slope. So, m is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. By the way, this is x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, and y sub 2. So, lagay po natin sa formula. So, y sub 2 is 0 minus y sub 1 is 4 over 9. So, x sub 2 is 9 minus negative 5. So, magiging 0 minus 4 is negative 4 over 9 minus negative 5. That is magiging plus, magiging positive. So, 9 plus positive 5 is 14. So, pag ating ni lowest term, divide by 2. So, magiging negative 2 over 7. So, yan po yung slope. So, the slope is negative 2 over 7. And then, pili tayo ng isang point dito para mahanap po natin yung y-intercept. So, piliin ko na lang itong una. So, negative 5 and then 4. So, ito po yung x na kukunin natin, tapos ito naman yung y. So, y is equal to mx plus b. So, y is 4 equal to m is negative 2 over 7 times x is negative 5 plus b. And then 4 is equal to negative 2 times negative 5 is positive 10 over 7 plus b. And then, so, itong 10 over 7, kailangan mapunta sa kabila. So, add natin sa kanyang opposite. So, minus 10 over 7 equals B. So, using butterfly method, so ang LCD ay 7. And then, 7 times 4 is 28 minus 10. So, 28 minus 10, that will be 18 over 7. So, that is the y-intercept. And by substituting to y is equal to mx plus b, so magiging equation natin ay magiging y is equal to m is negative 2 over 7. And then x. And then yung y-intercept is plus 18 over 7. And then, pag sinubstitute po natin sa y is equal to mx plus b, so y is equal to m is negative 2 over 7, kaya yan po yung nakalagay dyan. And then, write x. And then, the y-intercept or yung b is 18 over 7, so sinulat ko na po siya dito. So, ito po yung equation para po sa number 4 item. So, the equation of the line that passes through negative 5, 4, and 9, 0 is y is equal to negative 2 over 7x plus 18 over 7.